He's challenged societal norms, battled political correctness, and ignited fiery debates. Jordan Peterson, a name synonymous with controversy, self-help, and, well, strong opinions. But is the Peterson phenomenon all it seems? We see the firebrand professor on talk shows, the author topping bestseller lists. But who is the man behind the microphone? Is there more to Jordan Peterson than the headlines portray? Buckle up, self-upgraders, because we're about to peel back the layers and reveal 10 surprising facts you didn't know about Jordan Peterson. Welcome to the Self-Upgrade Zone. Your growth starts here. Number 1. The Unexpected Socialist. Think Jordan Peterson's always been a champion of free markets and limited government? Think again. In his teenage years, Peterson actually leaned left, actively supporting Canada's Social Democratic New Democratic Party. Imagine Peterson advocating for universal healthcare instead of battling political correctness. This surprising past sheds light on his evolving political views and reminds us that people can change their minds. Number 2. The Dostoevsky Disciple. Forget self-help gurus with shallow platitudes. Peterson dives deep into the works of Fyodor Dostoevsky, the master of psychological realism. Dostoevsky's novels explore the darkest corners of the human experience: good versus evil, the weight of responsibility, and the struggle for meaning. Sounds familiar, right? Peterson's fascination with Dostoevsky helps explain his own focus on personal responsibility and navigating life's inherent chaos. It's like Dostoevsky gave him the philosophical foundation for his future ideas. Number 3. The Biblical Scholar. There is more to Peterson than psychology lectures. He's also a scholar of mythology and religion, with a particular interest in the Bible. Think his lectures are intense? Try entangling the symbolism and metaphors of ancient texts. But Peterson's deep dive into these stories shapes his view on morality, meaning, and the human condition. It adds another layer of complexity to his already rich perspective. Number 4. The Brief Brush with Acting. Believe it or not, Peterson dabbled in acting before his academic pursuits took center stage. In his early 20s, he had a small role in a Canadian film called You, Me, and Everyone We Know. While acting wasn't his ultimate calling, it provides a glimpse into a different facet of his life before psychology. Number 5. The Chess Mastermind. Peterson is known for his intellectual prowess, and that extends to the game of chess. He was a highly ranked junior chess player in his youth, showcasing his strategic thinking and analytical skills. While he didn't pursue chess professionally, it likely played a role in shaping his approach to problem-solving and complex systems. Number 6. The Chaos Fighter, not Order Fetishist. Life can be messy and unpredictable. Peterson believes that order and meaning are the antidotes to this inherent chaos. His book, 12 Rules for Life, offers a framework for creating order in your own life, helping you navigate the inevitable challenges. But don't mistake him for a rigid order fetishist. Peterson recognizes the importance of embracing some level of chaos for growth and creativity. Number 7. The Reluctant Author. While Peterson is a prolific writer today, his first book, Maps of Meaning, almost never saw the light of day. The initial manuscript was a massive dense tome, rejected by several publishers due to its sheer complexity. Peterson himself considered scrapping the whole project before eventually condensing it into the book we know today. Number 8. The Big 5 Personality Test Champion. Psychology nerds, rejoice! Peterson is a big proponent of the 5-factor model of personality, also known as the Big 5 test. He frequently uses the framework in his lectures and writing, emphasizing its usefulness in understanding human behavior and individual differences. Number 9. The Self-Authoring Suit Architect. While Peterson is famous for his books and lectures, he's also ventured into the world of self-help applications. He co-created the Self-Authoring Suit, a computer program designed to help individuals explore their past, present, and future selves. This lesser-known project highlights Peterson's interest in applying his psychological theories to personal development tools. Number 10. The Jungian Influence. Carl Jung, the renowned psychiatrist and founder of analytical psychology, is a major influence on Peterson's thinking. Jungian concepts like archetypes, the collective unconscious, and the shadow persona frequently appear in Peterson's work. Understanding this influence helps explain Peterson's emphasis on mythology, symbolism, and the deeper layers of the human psyche. So there you have it, self-upgraders. 10 surprising facts that challenge the one-dimensional image of Jordan Peterson. From his evolving political views to his scholarly background, we've seen a man grappling with complex issues and offering unique perspectives. Whether you find him a beacon of truth or a voice of provocation, one thing's undeniable: Jordan Peterson is a force to be reckoned with. His ideas continue to spark conversations and challenge assumptions, pushing us to all think critically about ourselves and the world around us. If you found this video insightful, hit that like and subscribe button to join the Self-Upgrade Zone community. And don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated. Tell us, self-upgraders, how did Jordan Peterson help you change your perspective about a specific concept? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, self-upgraders. Remember, the journey to becoming your best self is a continuous exploration. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay tuned for the next adventure.